Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review, and today we are looking at the Real Madrid home shirt for the 24-25 season. And obviously anybody who buys a Real Madrid shirt right now goes for Bellingham on the back, so that's what we've got here. We have the name set of Jude Bellingham, number 5, which you can see follows through onto this side of the shirt as well. So this shirt was purchased from bestzv1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. We'll also try and find a link to the usual DHgate seller for this item, and I'll leave that there for you as well should you want to take a look. The shirt itself comes in a standard Adidas bag. Delivery time was about 14 days, which is absolutely spot on for these sellers now. If you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions or messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But what we'll do now is we will unbox or unpack this Jude Bellingham Real Madrid 24-25 home shirt from bestzv1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. Okay, we're on the front of the shirt for a start. And we see the Adidas stripes, and they have been stitched into the material. Unlike last season's Adidas where they were heat pressed on, these have been stitched in. We do have a couple of patches on the sleeve, 22, 23, 22, 23, 20, I can't even speak now, 23, 24. And the power of our football. They've both been, I'm going to say, probably heat pressed on actually. The Adidas emblem embroidered into the material. Likewise, the Real Madrid badge has been embroidered in. We do have the shirt sponsor, Emirates Fly Better, and that's been heat pressed onto the material, and that feels absolutely lovely. On this sleeve, we have the HP logo, and again, that has been heat pressed on. That feels really nice, actually, really good. There is, hopefully you can see it, a bit of a glisten to this material. It has the aero ready down at the bottom and the air pockets on the side, just there for ventilation. As much as I love these Real Madrid shirts, the biggest challenge is obviously keeping them white. But when they're fresh out of the pack like this one, you cannot go wrong with them. What we'll do now is we'll flip it over, we'll take a look at the back. Okay, we're onto the reverse side of the shirt now, and the collar line continues around with a nice little black band there, which obviously matches the Adidas stripes. Obviously the key part is we have got Bellingham on the back of this one, and this has been heat pressed on. There is a slight crease in the B here, but that's just from where the shirt's been in the bag. So I think once that's been worn, then that will come off nicely. The number 5, again, heat pressed into the material. I do actually like the style of this number 5. If I just zoom out a little bit, you get a better view of it. I think it looks really smart, actually. Just looking around there, stitching all looks good. And obviously, you've got the ventilation there on the patch of the back. But what they've done this season is you've got a separate bit of material in the middle here for where your name set should be. Obviously it joins around to the side, and you've got your join mark there, which does look a little bit wonky, but I don't think anybody will really notice that too much. You can see here as well the see-throughness of the material, because you can see the size guide there, but we'll take a look at the inside in a moment. But there is the outside of this Jude Bellingham Real Madrid shirt. Okay, we're on the inside of the shirt now, and you can see what I mean when I said about the Adidas stripes being stitched into the material. And there is also at the top here the standard tag that you see on these Adidas shirts with the QR code on it. Here's where the HP has been put on there. There is a slight line there on there, but I think that's just the glue actually, so it's not been heat pressed on, that's been glued on. The Adidas badge embroidered in. That looks a little bit rough in all honesty. So I think if I was to wear this shirt out and about, you're probably going to have to wear something under it, because otherwise you're going to get a slight rub from that. The Adidas though itself, that looks good. And then on this sleeve where we have the additional patches, that one's been glued on. And I think that one actually has been heat pressed on. You can tell the glue because it's a darker colour. The Emirates has gone on lovely. No concerns with that at all. Nice and smooth. And here we have our washing instructions. The recommendation when washing this one, especially because you have got the heat pressed on the Emirates, you've got the patches on the here and over here, and then you've got the Bellingham, is to make sure that when you do wash it, you flip it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting, That's one of the gentle ones. And then I would also wash this shirt on its own. I wouldn't put it in with anything else because you don't want the colour run. When you come to drying it, just let it hang dry. If it's nice like it is here in the UK at the moment, you can hang it outside. Never put it in your tumble dryer, otherwise the stuff will start peeling off. So that's the first part of the inside. We'll have a look at the other internal side now. Okay, we have the final part of the inside, and this is a size XL slim fit. Now, with this one, it is a fan's version, not a player's version. So this is going to be very much true to size. Here we have our tag, Adidas jersey. These are just standard that they put on there. And then you do have the Bellingham name set, which has gone on really nicely. It's white on this side, which is different because it was black, wasn't it, on the outside, on the correct side? Yeah, interesting. And then the number 5, again, gone on really nicely. Nothing else really to call out. Stitching looks good, a couple of loose threads there, but nothing on a whole to worry about. I'd be really, really happy with this one. My biggest concern is keeping it white, because these white shirts do tend to get dirty relatively easy and relatively quickly. So yeah, this is the biggest worry about it, but can't change it. It's a lovely shirt. So people have asked what it looks like on. I'll give you a quick look around. And there you have it on. And there is our Real Madrid home shirt from bestzv1.com with Jude Bellingham on the reverse side. I love this shirt. Real Madrid are one of those teams that can have such a simple and plain design to their shirt, but it is so effective. It looks nice, it looks clean, and black on white just looks absolutely outstanding. And obviously the Real Madrid crest is just it's just something special. So all in all, a really, really nice shirt. I will leave a link to bestzv1.com in the description of this video. I'll also try and leave a DHgate link as well, so if you want to check it out from there, then you've got the right seller to go to. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions or messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But there we have it, our Real Madrid Jude Bellingham shirt. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.